Is mankind truly alone in the vast cosmos? Or are there others, perhaps gazing at us from the distant stars, wondering the same thing? This question has sparked curiosity and fueled ongoing endeavors such as the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI for short. The story of SETI begins in the early decades of the 20th century, a time when humans first started to look up and seriously consider the possibility of intelligent life beyond our planet. It was Nikola Tesla in the early 1900s who first suggested that his inventions could possibly be used to communicate with other worlds. However, it was not until the 1950s that the concept of using radio waves to search for signs of extraterrestrial intelligence was proposed by physicists Giuseppe Cocconi and Philip Morrison. The first real SETI project took flight in the early 1960s when a young astronomer named Frank Drake conducted Project Ozma. Using a radio telescope, he listened for signals from two nearby stars. Although he didn't find anything, it marked the beginning of a dedicated search for extraterrestrial life. SETI's efforts intensified in the 1970s and 80s with projects like Serendip and Meta. These projects used increasingly sophisticated technology to scan the skies for signals. However, despite all the technological advancements, the search still remained elusive. In the 1990s, SETI took a major hit when Congress cut its funding, but that didn't stop the search. Private donors stepped in and the SETI Institute was born. This marked a new era in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, one that continues to this day. In recent years, SETI has expanded its search to include not just radio waves, but also optical signals. With the advent of new technologies and the construction of more powerful telescopes, the chances of finding a signal from another civilization are higher than ever. So what have we discussed today? We've taken a journey through the history of SETI, from its early beginnings with Tesla and Project Ozma, through its growth and expansion in the 70s and 80s, to its rebirth in the 90s with the creation of the SETI Institute. We've seen how SETI's search has evolved over the years, moving from radio waves to also include optical signals. And despite the challenges and setbacks, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence continues, fueled by our innate curiosity and the question that started it all: are we alone in the universe? As we gaze up at the stars, we can't help but wonder what or who might be gazing back. And thanks to the efforts of organizations like SETI, we may one day find the answer. Until then, the search continues, a testament to the enduring spirit of human curiosity and our unending quest for knowledge.